The best niche for affiliate marketing
in 2022.
In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to
make money online 2022.
How to copy and paste the formula that is used by the top affiliates in the world. And I'm going to also show it to you live on my screen. On top of that, I'm going to go ahead and give you a PDF file with 17 proven niches that I'm going to create right in front of you. How the top affiliate marketers in the world find the most profitable niches, and is it possible to copy and paste?
Like I mentioned before, I'm going to go ahead and show you exactly how to pick your niche, and I'm calling it the niche blueprint, the same thing as I take. This is so important, and a lot of times people neglect this step and they end up not becoming successful. I'm going to talk with you about the myths I just picked for that they are the most popular. The first one is I don't have to be passionate about my niche. It's true and not true. Obviously, if you're passionate about something that is not going to make you any money, obviously you're in the wrong crowd here. But you have to have some kind of a passion for what you are promoting. People that did not have any passion or interest with the product that they are promoting or selling, they did not last too long. The second one is it takes time to find my niche. It's really not, and I'm going to show you and give you examples. The other one is I have to be completely unique and different than anybody out there. This is one of the biggest problems. If you're going into a niche that has not been proven, that means it's so unique and so different than anybody, you're not going to survive because that niche has no people that are interested in wherever you're promoting or selling. The other one is that there is too much competition in my niche. Most of the super affiliate, and we talked about how much money they make. And now if you want to make that much money, anywhere between 50,000 over 100,000, and I work with people that make over 1 million per month. If you don't think that they are smart enough, that's exactly what they do, that you probably don't want to. You want to skip the whole video. Let's go ahead and talk about the formula. What is it that you need to do? What are the questions that you have to fill in? This is the key to your success. Obviously, the first thing you want to is pick a niche. Now, I did talk about the niches right here, and they are health, wealth, and relationship. Now, there are a lot of sub niches below that, but these are the most proven niches. And you can actually create your own sub niche. We're going to go ahead and talk about the sub niche. You pick one of these. Obviously, if I have no interest at all, no passion about wealth right here, for example, I'm not going to do it. Just because it makes more money, I'm not going to do it. You got to follow this. You don't want to get into something that you hate, or you feel like it's a chore, or you feel like it's something that you're forcing yourself to do. The first thing you want to pick one of these three. You need to pick the sub niche. I'm not just going to give you a sub niche. I'm going to go into a micro niche. I'm talking about 3, sometimes 4 level deep. The deeper you go, just like this is where the gold is and this is where the diamonds are, is you have to dig to find them. And this is what I'm going to give you right now. And say that you want to go with the health. As you can see, this is the niche. This is the sub niche, which is usually the pain point. What is the pain point? Let's say people want to lose weight. The first thing you want to ask yourself, what is their situation at this point? The number one, the situation is this: what do they have? What do they want? And what the situation that they're in? Okay, this is post-pregnancy. That means a woman that want to lose weight, but she just had a baby. She's an executive. She's a woman. She's over 30. So the end are these right here. So we want really deep. Let's go ahead and talk to ourselves a little bit here, just see if that makes sense. Do women get pregnant? Yes. Do we have women who are executives? Yes. Do we have women over 40? Yes. So this is a very good niche. The reason is right here, executives. That means they can afford that product. Let's go ahead and do another one right here. Somebody wants to lose weight. That's the pain point. The second thing is, what do they have? They have high blood pressure. They're in that situation. And they are men, and they are over 40. Now, let's go ahead and take a look about someone also that wants to lose weight. So what do they have? Overweight kids, and they are boys, and they are under 12 years old. I hope you understand this. Okay, the first example is that what is the situation? We go up to number 1 here. What do they have and what they want? They have an obese girl under 18. Now, is that a good niche? Oh yeah, because usually girls that under 18, they're self-conscious, and if they're obese, they want a solution. They want the guys to be attracted to them. Make Money Online 2022. Under health, there is so many. Muscle building, for example, this is under health. Let's go ahead and see what the situation is here. We have somebody that want to get big fast, and there are men, and they are under 25. Is that a good niche? Oh yeah, it is. Why? Because they want to get big fast. Here's the thing. I'm talking about building muscles, obviously. Men under 25, they will do a lot and they are willing to pay money. Here is what do they want? They want to gain body mass. They are men and they want to compete. For example, number 3, they want to gain muscle. I'm not saying fast, they want to gain muscle. Now, the second thing, they are boys under 18. They want to be on a football team. It is a very good niche. Now, let's go ahead and talk about diet. Remember, diet is still under health. If you can see, it's all following this. This is a key to your success. Now, the problem here is obese. They want a diet. I'm not talking about muscle building. I'm not talking about weight loss. They're men under 40 years old. It means they have an underlying symptoms, for example, high blood pressure, diabetic, or whatever. So it is very important to them to lose weight through a diet. Now, here we go. They want to go a diet. Now, what do they have? They have diabetes. Women over 50. Is that a good niche? Yes, it is, because we are going so deep. Let's go ahead and think about it, how deep you are going. You pick in a niche. This is 2, 3, 4, and 5 deep. That means this is, if you have something like this, your niche is a gold because you are having a really good group to sell to. Let's go ahead and talk about diet, and it is under 3. Let's see what it is. The problem is that they have tummy fat, and they are females and under 40. This is a very good group. Why? Because under 40, so you're talking to 30s, 20s, 18, 14, they have tummy fat. Go as deep as you can. Let's go ahead and go to wealth. Make money online, for example. Now, what is the situation? They're looking for best paying jobs. They're beginners. They don't have a lot of experience, and they don't have a college degree. Let's go to number 2. The idea is that blogging. There's some people that want to blog, for example, for small business. They want to do it for chiropractors. That could be dentist. That could be something else. Let's go ahead and go back to making money online. The issue is that they want to specialize in making money online for YouTube marketing and new channels, and for channels that are under 100 subscribers. Could be 200, could be 300. Making money online, this is what? The sub niche. It's not the niche. The niche is wealth. You are making money. Affiliate marketing, for example. They have no website. And then what? They have no capital or very small capital. That will get attention of a lot of people who fit in that category. So let's go ahead and move on to relationships, because I'm trying to cover and give you some examples about each major niche. Now, I'm going to go ahead and give you 3 of them. The number 1 is how to get your ex back. This is an issue. The situation is that they want to know how to get the ex back. How do I know that? I followed up here the formula. What do they want? The second one is, and what? They are men, and what? They want their girlfriend back. The second one is, there are some people, what do they want? Again, I'm looking at the formula, dating advice. And they are divorced, and they are women. That could be men. That could be women under a certain age, and so forth. Now, the last one right here under relationship is online dating. They want to date, and they want to know how to use it online. This is what they want. I'm talking about things that people really would pay money for. And what? They are men. They want online dating. They're Christians and over 50 years old. We went so deep now. The sub niche is relationship. Then we went to online dating, men, Christian, over 50. So I hope you understand how this really works. This is your first step for you to become very successful. And a lot of people don't do that and they wonder why things are not happening. The top and super affiliate have done that. This is what we do. And if you actually want to become successful, you don't have to reinvent the wheel. I gave you the key for it. Now you have everything. Nobody is going to give you what I'm giving you because what I'm giving you is something they don't know about. So follow this guideline and follow the formula. Make Money Online 2022.
I hope you enjoyed this video. And before I let you go, I'm going to go ahead and start with this series. Now, this is the series number 1. This is going to be very important for beginners or people who are having a hard time starting their affiliate marketing online. So make sure to subscribe, drop a like, and click that notification button so you'll be the first person to know. I'll see you at the top.